How's it going, everyone? It's Reverse Trader King. I want to talk about GameStop, where we headed, and it's just been just a nightmare, right? The stock goes up, and it just cannot hold any gains, and that's why a lot of people are gonna have paper hands. Like, why would you hold into this? Like every time you see a pump, like right in here, hits upper band, sells off. Right in here, it actually, well, this was the big pump, and then it sells off to EMA 5, 10, and 20, and then right in here it tries and then sells off, tries again and then sells off, and now we're just in a consolidation zone where it's going to just like be really test your patience. So where do we go from here? Is this a buy signal to my criteria for an A plus setup? And I'm going to show you guys. If you guys don't have my software, my band strategy of how you get tops and bottoms in the market, do click the link down below. It'll be pinned. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system, and you can join my day trading community or my swing trading community. So just keep that in mind. So right here we have we're clearly under the EMA 20. We got a doji looking candle here where the bulls try to go in, the bears try to go in, and then we just kind of met at the middle. So not like your perfect doji candle. There is some body to it, but that's kind of what we're having here. And we have clear support and resistance down here, as you can see. Right down here, it's okay if it touches it or it goes a little lower, but that's going to be your support, and this is your resistance in a nice little up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. But it will never stay that way. I promise you it will get out of this wedge. There is lots of volume in here, 37 million. For today. Yesterday had a way more, 90 million, probably mostly sells, and then 146 million is what drove this up 22%. But like I said, I am totally fine with people getting in and out and making lots of profit. The only way to really do that is by, using this system. So what we have here is we have our first day below our EMA 5. That is exciting because now we can start our journey of time distance. Anybody that knows me, I love to look at the EMA 5, which is this purple band. When we go away from it and do not touch it, that is your 1 day of time distance. So right here, we are not touching it, so we can count it as 1 day of time distance. The only thing I'm doing, and that's why I said if you want to join the premium Discord, we are going to be doing day trades now because sometimes swing tradings can take some time. This is not a swing trade setup. I would like to see more time distance like this setup over here. As you can see, we hit the EMA 5 here. We go below it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles. We accumulate on the 5th and 6th, and we shoot up right in here for a conservative target for the EMA 5. And then if you held longer, you could have got the 10 and then some. Nice gain. And then look what happens. It goes way up, right? Because I made a video here. I was like, I was really liking this. I sold right in this area, and then it goes way up, right? That's just how the market works. But as long as you get gains, that's all that matters. You don't want to be the person that buys up in here and it goes all the way back down, or buys up in here and goes. I'd rather make some gains than lose, right? That's the name of the game here. So, yeah, we got first time distance. I'm going to start using the 5 minute and the 1 minute to see what if we can get some nice entries. Right here was no day trade to be made. What about the 1 minute, actually? Yeah, there was nothing to day trade here. Maybe shorting, and that was about it as you hit way up in here. You could get a nice short here, but I wouldn't have held that much longer. It went down pretty far down there. Let's look at the next thing. Right in here would have been your nice shorting. I use time distance too on the 1 minutes. So when you guys look at me using my day trading strat, I look for massive time distance to the EMA 20 so that when we go up there, we try to rush right into it. This was a nice day trading opportunity. As you can see, we had a nice accumulation here to the nice EMA 5, 10, and then 20 up in there. And as you can see, would have made a nice decent of 5%. And then that's not bad. As you know, if it presents, it don't. And we do this strategy while we wait for the swing trading strategy. This would have not accounted for time distance because one, we didn't have enough EMA 20 distance. I like to say around 20 to 30 minutes. This was like 10 minutes, and then as you can see, it does hit the 10, and then it goes back down. Not really enough for me to make money on. But yeah, let's keep this to a swing trading strategy. Not really much going on because it is kind of boring. It's in a nice, boring pattern, and we want to make sure that we have some time distance. What is looking nice is we're not buying in no man's land, which is this scary black area, and this is where a lot of bag holders are getting placed. We know we're not buying in the upper band here. We know this is where let's short this thing to a massive amount. Well, let's also look. I like to look for if there is any shorts. Let's see how much is available on GameStop. GameStop has a limited amount of 1,131,492 shorts available. So they do have some available. So, I would like to look for that to get lower for the price to go up. And then obviously when price goes up, though, short gets confident and then just reload their packages. So yeah, I hope this helps you guys. For me, it's only a day trade. And then for swing trading, yes, I'm going to wait for the conservative for my strategy. I like to see 5 daily candles below the EMA 5 because if I'm not touching my lower band, which is right here, this is your A+ setup. This is where I love to make my place. But if it's not touching there, I got to be really strict on the EMA 5. And I'll show you the A+ setup where we took this way back here in 2023 of August. As you can see, we hit the lower band. We had time distance from the EMA 20, and guess what? We rallied up here. And that's your conservative gain. You're in the market and you're out. So I hope you guys like this video. I'll do some more updates when I see it. If you guys want to join the premium Discord and be a part of a community for a very low cost of, if you look over here, if you click down below and join the, there's a link that says join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll take you to this premium Discord. It'll take you first to the free chat. All you have to do is head on over to the server shop or your phone. It'll be up here. It'll say subscriptions, server subscriptions. And there's 2 things. Day Trading Plus will get you everything in the server for $12. There will be all the channels unlocked. Swing Trading Plus will get you a lot of the channels for swing trading. But if you want all of them, Day Trading Plus is where it's at. You get all the channels, and we'll be including live streams eventually, so you can see exactly what I'm doing and everything. And it's a really nice thing. You're just going to get a nice format and all that. And here's the community. Everyone's in green. Everyone in yellow is day traders. Greens is swing traders. But day traders have their own community too. So, and also read how to subscribe. It'll tell you all here. And then avoid scammers. I will never DM you or message you first. So I hope you guys like this analysis on GME. Really not much going on. I try to keep it real, not trying to pump it. I do like, we're seeing kind of like an indecision between buyers. There's, bulls aren't winning, bears aren't winning. There's indecision. We're in a nice consolidation zone. And I would just like to see what happens, I'll keep day trading it till something else happens. Hope to see you guys in the next video. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, click the link down below and hope to see you then.